After more than 30 years of cooking and baking, this is still one of my favorite breads to make. Authentic thin lavash is soft, flexible, made with just a few simple ingredients, and surprisingly easy to master. Today I'll show you why it puffs so beautifully, what makes it different, and at the end I'll turn it into one of my favorite homemade wraps. We'll start with yeast, sugar, salt, flour, and water. At first, dough will look rough and shaggy. That's completely normal. Now knead the dough until it becomes smooth, soft, and elastic. Cover the dough and let it rest until it's relaxed. Resting allows the gluten to develop, making it much easier to roll the dough paper thin without it springing back. Divide the dough into equal portions and shape each piece into a smooth ball. Cover them again for about 15 minutes. This second rest makes rolling much easier and helps produce beautifully even bread. Roll each ball as thin as you possibly can. The thinner the dough, the softer and more flexible your finished lavash will be. Heat a completely dry skillet until it's nice and hot. No oil is needed. Place the lavash onto the skillet and within seconds you'll start seeing bubbles appear. Those bubbles are created by steam tapped between the layers of dough. One of the most satisfying parts is watching the bread puff. Large bubbles are actually a good sign. They tell you the dough is well hydrated and the skillet is hot enough. Some pieces puff more than others, and that's perfectly normal. Notice that even though this bread inflates beautifully, it doesn't create the classic pita pocket. And this version stays thin, soft, and incredibly flexible, making it perfect for wrapping your favorite fillings. By the way, I rolled one piece a little thicker just to show you what happens. It still puffs beautifully, but it won't develop a true pita pocket. I have a separate pita recipe on my channel if that's what you're looking for. As each piece comes off the skillet, stack it and keep it covered with a clean towel. Look how beautiful this turned out. Soft enough to fold, strong enough to wrap, and made with just a handful of simple ingredients. Fill them with grilled meat, chicken, vegetables, cheese, or fresh herbs. Brush them with garlic butter and they'll remind you of naan. Bake them into crispy chips, use them for wraps, or even make homemade flatbread pizzas. The possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching.